Hi kids, today we are going to learn how to draw a girl. So let's get started. First, we will add a circle. Just like this. Now we will add two curved lines for her hair. Okay, so now we are going to add a little bun over her head. Just like this. Now we'll draw some hair strands in her hair. Okay. Now let's draw her eye by adding two tiny circles. Now add a beautiful smile. Okay, so now we will add some semicircles around her neck. Just like this. And now we will add her dress by going down. Now just match the corners. Now we'll draw her leg, straight line down, another straight line down, add an oval for her shoe, another oval. Now let's draw her hands like this. Both the sides, and for her fingers we will draw a thumb and a palm, just like this. Easy peasy. Okay, so now we will add a little heart in her dress by drawing V. Now make a hump and another one. Now you made your heart. And this is how our little cute girl looks like. Beautiful, isn't she? Okay, so here is a fun part, coloring. You can color any color you want. This is how I color my drawing. Thanks for following along. Easy drawings for kids. Click on the next video for another fun drawing. Be sure to subscribe to all of our new videos coming up. Thanks and see you again soon.